Working from home was never on a plan for some of us. But as the unexpected pandemic left us with no other choice, we have shifted to work remotely. As an employer, it's your responsibility to protect the company's network. So, considering the issues such as unsafe Wi Fi network and data breach, there are many things you must implement as a company policy for all employees while they operate from a distance. Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and you're watching our channel TwoFactor Authentication. Today's video focuses on the most critical question for a lot of enterprises. This will help you understand how you can protect your company's network while working from home. Here are the points you should include in your policy to protect your company's network. Encourage the use of these policies among the employees to keep your company's network safe. On number 1, add a VPN. Providing a VPN service to all of your employees will make the transmission of data safe. The virtual private network is meant to keep your IP address confidential and encrypt the data transfer. And this works as an additional layer of security after everyone has access to the VPN service. On number 2, add two-factor authentication. Deploy the two-factor authentication for all the company accounts for the employees. It will require the employees to log in with extra information. In most cases, it's safe to use the OTP on the registered mobile number. This restricts third-party interference as the login is safe with the physical access to the cell phone. On number 3, use of strong passwords. Inform all the employees and the IT team to use a strong password for every service used. A password with the combination of letters, digits and symbols is the best to use. Advise everyone to have different passwords for all the devices and accounts. One can use the password manager if it seems hard for the employees to remember all of the passwords. On number 4, Firewall antivirus software. Since the employees are no more using the company's devices, it is required that they install good antivirus software. It is also recommended to turn on inbuilt firewall for the devices. It will keep the network safe from prying eyes. On number 5, update. Update your devices, routers and all software to get the latest versions with the security measures, since the outdated devices are easy to be unfiltered by the predators. On number 6, encryption software. Also use inbuilt encryption in Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat to protect files with a password. Use of corporate services which will be better at providing security to your company's network. Always stick to the approved cloud backups. And the email is far more reliable than the personal accounts. Last but not the least, on number 7 is safeguard communications. One must use a service with a high end-to-end encryption to communicate. This ensures that all the accounts are registered and used by the employees. This encrypted conversation over text or calls will keep your conversation secure. Skype and Microsoft Teams are excellent services. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Share the video to spread the awareness about safety on working from home.